What's going on, guys? This ES Morgan had to hop right back on it because after that dip, right? After that buying volume failed, and then that dip, we got nice buying volume to pop right back in, right? So we might get this 4781 level reclaim, and it might be nice, right? Because we get this reclaim, that's going to present a nice entry. As long as once we get above it, buying volume continues to increase or sustains, right? That's the only way we will continue higher. Why? Because volume leads price, right? The That's what drives the price if you do not know, okay? And if you didn't watch my last video, I always say it. If you didn't watch any of my videos, I always say it, right? That's what I preach, okay? The two things that drive a price up or down is the volume, right? And the order flow, okay? That's the only two things, okay? So a price cannot continue to go higher if buying volume isn't sustaining or increase, okay? So this is why we failed this 81 level earlier and then we got over it. Let me zoom in on it. And we got over it, but nothing happened, right? Because buying volume is literally, if you can see, right? Let me zoom in on it. I don't want to do too much because I'm actually hoping we get a push over here right now, but yeah, but as you can see though, buying volume was literally decreasing, right? We got some pushes, right, of volume, and then that's why you got these little spikes up, but come on, man. It wasn't enough volume for us to continue higher. But if we get the opportunity right now, then I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean, okay? If we break above this level, buying volume has to sustain or increase for us to continue higher. And prices move level to level. If you don't know, the next level up is, you understand what I'm saying? But actually, if this happens though, this will be a nice breakdown. The price should trigger up to at least 4793, right? At the least. And we'll see. Okay. Volume trying to come in. We got 4 seconds. 4 seconds left on this 3 minute candle. Volumes. I mean, buying volume still printed lower than the last two candles. We should at least test this level, but I don't know if we get through it. Buying volume needs to really pour in. Buying volume needs to really pour in. If buying volume can pour in, then this would be nice. This would be nice. Nice push, but buying volume needs to continue to increase. We have time though. We have 2 minutes 15 seconds left in this candle, and this is where I see the time left in the candle, by the way. And if you don't have that time on your candle, then how to do it, I believe it's somewhere in the settings, but it's somewhere in there. But let's see though. We got a nice push. We have plenty of time though. 2 minutes left in this candle, and on the next candle, buying volume needs to sustain or increase. Okay, so this candle is cool, right? But this is the breakthrough candle. Okay, if the next candles don't continue to increase in buying volume, then this will be a fake out. Simple as that. Can't stress that enough. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I actually have previous YouTube videos of me calling a fake out before it even happens using the volume. But as of right now, it's looking good. My boy just texted me, boy, that volume indicator is gold. He talking about this, especially when you get to understanding when volume is decreasing or increasing to confirm your entries. And my boy just text me that. I kid you not. Okay, these are the indicators he is talking about. Okay, if you join my Discord, and by the way, you can get in for completely free. Like, I give a trading plan every single day. You could get in for completely free. Okay, you can get my trading plan every day. Check out my Instagram, 1ES Morg, where we smack the trading plan, okay, every single day. But like I said, we have 30 seconds left in this candle. Buying volume is looking nice, okay? Buying volume is looking nice. These are the volume bars you need. When you have the regular volume bars, those are completely useless, by the way, okay? Those are useless. 10 seconds left in this candle. We got a nice push. Let's see how this next 3-minute candle prints, okay? So let's just sit back and relax, okay? You need patience in trading, by the way, okay? Because a lot of traders right now, they're getting in right now, and it may work, right? They may get in right now, and it may just shoot up right now. And if that happens, that's okay, okay? Because greed, you can't be greedy. You need to have patience. You need to know your setups. You understand what I'm saying? So let's see how this next candle prints, though. It looks nice though. And then my members, I told them if 4781 reclaims and buying volume sustains or increase, then boom, that should trigger us higher. Okay, so let's see what that volume do. If volume does not sustain or increase, then don't expect us to shoot higher. Okay, we may just chop here until it does, or we will fake out and sellers will pick up. Okay, because if buying volume doesn't sustain or increase above this level, sellers will see that. Okay, experienced traders will see that. Okay, oh, buyers are getting weaker here. Oh, okay, buyers are getting weaker. Let's try it. Tanking. Now, a lot of sellers pour in. A lot of sellers that see the same thing I'm talking about right now, they pour in. Okay, and then that's what causes fake outs. The thing about it though, they pour in, right? You can see them pouring in. You can see these numbers jumping. You will literally see the sellers. By the way, these numbers are the actual orders at the price level, okay? You will see these numbers start jumping and start increasing, right? Before the price actually tanks, right? You will see the selling volume increase and the buying volume decrease before the price actually fakes out and tanks, okay? And this is what I can't stress enough, right? So all the rich trading gurus you see on social media, you've never heard them talk about volume, have you? So how accurate are they really, okay? How accurate are they really? But at the end of the day, they have a lot of money, so they can lose. And then that's why they always preach you don't need a high win rate to be profitable in trading, which is true. But at the end of the day, we are day traders, okay? We are trying to be good at trading. So at the end of the day, if you take 100 trades and you lose more than you win, you're not that good at trading, okay? You're not that good at executing trades. You just have probably a great risk management system, as we all should have, by the way. But that's the only thing that's saving them, okay? You have a 30%, 40% win rate, but your risk management system is what's keeping you alive. So you're not that good of a trader, and you're out here teaching people how to be day traders. You are teaching people how to have 30% and 40% win rates. That's insanity, right? But anyways, 20 seconds left in this candle. Buying volume isn't looking to, oh wait, it's trying to come in. It's trying to come in. Let's see what happens. But right now it's not coming in. Or like I said, it has to sustain or increase, right? Relevant to the previous candles. So we got over it. Now it needs to continue higher, right? And that's not what you want to see, right? That's not what you want to see. So right now though, even though now buyers really got to only step in a tad to even, chop us here. They might flag us out here, but I don't play flags. I don't play patterns or nothing like that. There's no need to. Like I said, I study volume and order flow. That leads the price, okay? Patterns lag the price, okay? You're waiting for a pattern to break or something. I'm waiting for volume to come in. So automatically my strategy puts me ahead of you. Not to brag or anything, but that's just simple logic, right? Logic and common sense. My strategy puts me ahead of your strategy. That's why the whole 2023, right? I had a 91% win rate, okay? Because my strategy is based off of logic and common sense, not probabilities. But this is not the candle you wanted to see if you wanted to try long or you're looking for any reclaims though. But we are over the level and we are holding. So a lot of people right now would get in right now and just have a stop loss down here, which is cool. And then that's how people stop loss, and then that's what you call trading with probabilities. Okay, so you may get in right now, even though buying volume has decreased. We are above the level, but buying volume, which leads the price, has completely vanished. Is trying to come in. So right now you're playing off of hope, right? You're playing with probabilities, okay? Now it is a higher probability that we continue higher, but at the end of the day, we won't continue higher unless buying volume continues to increase. But right now, buying volume died above this level. It's trying to come in, but I wanted it to push us higher. I wanted it to push us higher. How many minutes we are in this? 11 minutes. I honestly do not think I have that much space on my computer, but we'll see. We shall see, right? 45 seconds left in this candle. And if you missed it earlier, like I said, this is how I see how much time is left in the candle, in the relevant candle. To get the timer there somewhere in the settings. Dang. Well, buying volume is trying to pop us up. We'll see what happens though. Look at all of these orders. And by the way, this is why order flow matters. Look at all of these orders, sale orders, by the way, sitting at 4784. Let's draw a target. Let's draw a line right at 4784. Okay. So we have 400 sale orders sitting at that level. Okay. And all of these other orders, just 100, 100, 150. You know what I'm saying? So it's a lot of sellers betting right here. Okay. So let's see what happens. And see, this is why order flow matters, okay? Because if you don't watch order flow, then how would you know sellers are sitting up there, okay? How would you know there are sale orders sitting up there? You wouldn't know. Uh-oh. Are sellers trying to pick up, or is this just a little test? Well, you don't have to ask yourself that, right? Just look at volume, okay? That's how you can tell if it's a test or not, right? So if this candle prints, right, and then buying volume increases relevant to this last candle, then this was just a test. If it's not, then sellers are actually trying to push us, down lower. So let's see. We have 1 minute and 35 seconds left in this candle. Look at that test. Look at that test now. Let's see. Dang, I wish this didn't pop up when I put this down here, but oh, that's much better. Y'all can, okay. That's much better. See, I don't like to play with it too zoomed in. I like to, I like to trade. I like to see all of my levels, all of the rejections and the bounces and stuff as I'm in the trade. But I know a lot of people trade off their phone, so this is probably all that they really dial in on. Excuse me. Nice bounce. Now look at this. Look at the buying volume trying to increase right down here. Let me zoom back in on it so that stop getting out of the way. Look at the buying volume trying to increase. Okay. But we have 30 seconds left. Oh, and another pro tip, right? Never enter a trade in the middle of a candle, okay? Because just like we just seen the buying volume trying to increase, some people probably would have got in, right? But they didn't wait for the candle to close, and then now it don't look like it's increasing now, do it. This is why you always wait for the candle to close, because there's no need to rush it, right? Volume leads the price, okay? So the volume bar is going to print accurately before the price actually makes its move, okay? And buying volume did not increase, I'll tell you that. So right now it's still iffy. Like I said at the beginning, when we got up here, we might flag out up here, or sellers might see that buyers are getting weaker, as I see, and they might just tank us. So we shall see. But if they tank us, then this was just another video of how to not get faked out. Okay. Like I said, I know it's a lot of people right now sitting in this flag because they don't watch volume. So we done broke this 81 level and they're sitting in this flag, but they don't realize that buying volume is decreasing as we're sitting in the flag. Okay, so right now they're hoping they don't get stopped out. We done tested this little trend line, right? So I know when we tested that, they're praying to God, oh snap, I hope that was just a test. Okay, I hope it was just a test. There's no need to hope. A lot of people's strategy is based off of hope and they do not even know it. Okay, trading isn't even a game of probabilities. It's literally a game of logic and common sense, as long as your strategy is driven off of logic and common sense. Okay, it's simple. It's that simple. So right now, everyone that was sitting in this flag, I'm finna lose. You know what I'm saying? So this is why volume always matters, right? And then not to even put y'all down that do have strategies based off of hopium and you don't even realize. But I just want to teach y'all for free, okay? You can literally use volume to stop these fake outs, okay? And this is why I did not enter the trade, okay? It's that simple. So that's how you stop getting faked out, okay? And then even if this does reverse and buyers pop in, they have to continue to sustain or increase to continue higher. It's that simple, okay? So I hope that helped. This was another video of how to not get faked out, okay? It's that simple. I did not enter the trade. The video before this, I was saying if 4781 breaks, then it will present a nice long, right? Now I hop back on as we broke it and I told y'all why it isn't so interesting, okay? And boom, what happened? Exactly what I said might happen, okay? Everyone that sat in the flag, they wasn't using volume, so now they either got stopped out or their stop loss is way down here or it's at the lows. So now they're like, oh, it's not looking too good. But you know what I'm saying? Just patience, and then you need to have a strategy that is based off of volume and order flow, and then you will be okay. But hope that helped.